Derek with Eliminex. I'm wearing like a mask and everything because there's a lot of contamination up here. I'm wearing a mask and a suit. That's rare. So I'm just setting a trap out. I usually set them on the outside, but this has been ongoing, and it's like an emergency kind of situation. So I figured, okay, because there's going to be snow, another snowfall. So I just said, okay, I'll put some traps in the attic and just, for their peace of mind, but the traps on the outside is going to do the job. So we really can't tell much for recent contamination because they put a brand new roof on. So you see all this debris. So it's really hard to really assess the issue other than there's squirrels up here. But we do see a light. We do see light coming from on the side of the chimney there. That's pretty significant. So I'm going to put a ladder up there and see if they shoot a hole next to it and made a bigger hole. Usually you can't see these gaps from the ground. You have to ask them where they hear the noise and then kind of investigate. Sometimes it's difficult to know exactly how they're getting in. Here's a fireplace. That's the fireplace, and that's a zero clearance. Most multi-family, multi-unit and modern houses don't have a real fireplace. It's just an insert with a stack. It's like basically a furnace, gas fired. So it's hollow, so they can go into the attic and go directly into the chimney. And in other circumstances, some chimneys are bumped out and there's a gap underneath outside, and they can get underneath the wood paneling on the outside because these chimneys don't have to go into the ground. It's not wood burning. The wood burning goes into the frost line, part of the foundation. But a lot of these are open outside. It's a nice feature to have one in the house anyways, but it's a really vulnerable spot on the bottom and also up on the roof area. And this is a townhouse and not an end unit. So you got this gypsum board. Doesn't even look like gypsum board. It looks like just regular sheetrock. Whatever. So I'm investigating to see if any squirrels could have squeezed in, but there's a soffit run. There's a soffit run beyond the insulation that runs into the next unit. So I suspect squirrels are coming from one unit and coming to this one. It's really common. So we got the neighbor on board to remove his squirrels because he has a pretty bad infestation as well.